Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy new vehicles in Heartopia. So if you're still walking everywhere in Heartopia, it's time to upgrade your commute. So whether you want a super fast electric scooter, a classic bicycle, or a flashy sport car, here I'm going to show you exactly where to go to pick up your new ride. So what you need to do here, just open your map and then just find Andrew. So Andrew is a retired stunt driver, now working as the town's driving mentor. And in here you can just track him to find him easily for you. And you can just here follow the direction to easily find Andrew. Oops. Okay, so this is Andrew, and you can just interact with him, and after that you can just click on the vehicle store, and in here you'll see lots of options, so you can choose which one that you want to buy. So for example, I'm going to buy this pink motorcycle. You can just click on it and then tap on purchase to confirm. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.